Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, so keeping it healthy is essential. One of the best ways to support your liver is through the right foods. Here are three powerful foods that help boost liver function. Number 1, garlic. It activates liver enzymes and help flush out toxins. Number 2, leafy green vegetables. They help neutralize harmful heavy metals and promote liver health. Number 3, lemon, rich in vitamin C. It boosts liver enzymes and aids digestion. Take care of your liver with these natural foods and subscribe Health Awareness for more helpful tips.